I can cook you slowly. I could eat you raw. Talk too much and I'll break your jaw. They call me Song, Jigsaw. Where am I?
Your future grave.
In your future grave?
No, your future grave.
That's what I said.
Do you know how many bones the human body consists of?
Wait, let me guess. 5, right?
206, and each of them will be crushed unless you unlock yourself with a code.
Let me give you a clue.
Find the code right now.
Unless you want to die,
You will feel the pain.
but you cannot cry.
Here goes nothing. Great! I'm half blind now. Where is it? I can't find it.
It's in the other eye.
I need that code. I did it. I did it.
So what's the code then?
You made a mistake. I cut my eyes. Even before you know it, the jigsaws will rise.
Ha 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 ha!